Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Madison Charlton from MLC Tech, and now whispers about foldable iPhones, iPads and laptops have been swirling around for some years now, but I wouldn't write off Apple's foldable ambitions just as of yet. Now, Apple is very well known for holding out until new technologies are fully cooked before diving into it themselves. But it seems Apple may finally be ready to take their dive into the foldable market, but not with a phone or iPad, but with a gigantic 20-inch folding MacBook. So sit back and relax as we take a look into Apple's projected first foldable device. And now the future is literally unfolding for Apple at the moment, with reports indicating that Apple is working on a laptop with a massive 20-inch foldable display, and is expected that this device could enter mass production in 2027. It was revealed in a potential leak that the 20.3-inch MacBook is Apple's only foldable product with a clear development schedule. While details are scarce of this device at the moment, the statement suggests that foldable iPhones and iPads may still be a distant dream for Apple fans. But the big question is what exactly would a big folding behemoth like this look like, and how would it actually function? Now, Apple wouldn't be the first to the folding laptop market, with there already been examples already on the market with the likes of the LG Gram Fold or the HP Spectre Foldable, in which these devices can morph between a tablet mode and a more traditional clamshell laptop design with an attachable keyboard. But knowing how Apple likes to do things differently to the rest of the market, perhaps their approach would offer a full on-screen keyboard when folded and ditch the physical keys entirely. Regardless of the form factor, a 20-inch foldable would unquestionably be Apple's largest laptop display to date. Currently, Apple's largest laptop offering is the 16-inch MacBook Pro, with Apple having discontinued the 17-inch model back in 2012. While this is really exciting from a sheer screen real estate perspective, foldable devices definitely have their trade-offs in terms of durability, increased visibility and overall design polish. Apple has a reputation for holding off on new technologies until they're properly matured, which is why it's believed that foldable iPhones and iPads are much further out. Still, undoubtedly the future of the market is foldable displays, and Apple can't afford to be left behind as Samsung, Motorola and LG and others keep innovating. So a 2027 foldable MacBook launch would give Apple plenty of time to further refine and bulletproof the technology before going massive with its debut. Anyway, what do you think at home of a foldable laptop display from Apple? And would you be interested in picking up Apple's first ever foldable device if this ever comes to market? Now, while a lot of people are expecting that Apple would make a foldable iPhone or iPad, I think it's really interesting that they're taking the approach of making a foldable MacBook first time around. And now I know what most people want out of Apple, and that is an iPad with macOS. But I guess if we have to wait until we get a 20-inch foldable MacBook to sort of serve as the bridge between the MacBook and the iPad, then I guess a lot of people would rather take that than just purely being segregated to traditional macOS clamshell laptops or iPad OS laptops. Really, I want an iPad with macOS, but it doesn't seem like we're going to get that anytime soon. But do let me know all of your thoughts and opinions around the story in the comments down below. Anyway, I have been Madison Charlton from MLC Tech. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it in any way, shape or form, make sure to give this video a like and maybe subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thank you once again for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in another one soon. Goodbye for now.